Hello everyone once again สวัสดีครับทุกคน this is the iPad model iPad 10.2 inch 8th generation, so basically we call it iPad 8. Model number A2270. So basically the problem with the iPad is the battery. The iPad when we charge at 60% percentage of the battery, but the machine would restart or shut down at this stage. And so basically we found that this is the problem with the battery, so we replaced with the new one, and yeah, it said everything. So if you have the iPad and you have the same problem, or have any MacBook or laptop, feel free to contact us for this service. Yeah, that's it for this video, and see you next time. Bye bye.